Good day po, ma'am. I'm Jamaica Asian Santos, a student nurse of Pamantasan ng Luzon ng Pasig, and I am here to assist you to move your head back to the bed head po. And the purpose of this is the client's ability to have sleep down from the powder's position, and I'm gonna assist her to move her back to the bed head po. So, but first, may I know your name and your age and your birthday po, please? Can I check your ID ba po? So, you are Joy Tateo, you are 20 years old, and your birthday is February 3, 2004 po. So, today I will also gonna assess my client's ability to move, client's ability to understand instructions and willingness to participate, client's degree of comfort and discomfort when moving, and the client's weight. So, I am humbly asking for your full cooperation po, ma'am. Do you have any questions or concerns po? Okay, now I will be providing the client's privacy and perform proper hand hygiene. So now I will be adjusting the bed in the client's position. I will adjusting the head to a flat position because moving upward the client with gravity and force can cause the clients have a back strain. Also, I will ensure that the bed is in a appropriate height for the personnel's safety po. And now I will be removing all the pillows and put these pillows in the bed's head to avoid injury when the client is moving upward. And now, for the clients who is able to reposition without assistance, I will instruct my clients what she will gonna do. So ma'am, can you pass your arm out to your witness? And bend your knees po. And I will hold your seat po with little force, and I will assist you to move your self po upward po. 1, 2, 3, okay. And after that, for the client who is partially able to assist, for clients who weight is less than 200 pounds, I will be assisting him with the supportive ligaments. I will be assisting her. One, two, three. For the next, position myself appropriately and move the client. So I will be also using the supporting ligament to move my clients upward. And I will bend my knees to have some force when moving the client upward. 1, 2, 3. So for the next walk, for the clients who is unable to assist, I will be needing a nurse to assist me while moving the client upward. So ma'am, I am together with my assistant who is Nurse Nathaniel Sanito po. So now I will be folding the linen to have some support to move the clients upward. 1, 2, 3. And now, I will be elevating the clients to ensure my client is in a comfortable position. But first, I will be putting this pillow under her head. And I will be adjusting the client's bed head in a follower position. Nasa comfortable position na po. And now I will be documenting all the findings. I will be documenting all the relevant information. So any sense of pressure area is of support devices and ability of client to assist in moving and turning, response of client to moving and turning. And now I will be performing the proper hand hygiene. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you for your full cooperation.